Hi everyone, I'm Kishan from VLAN Technology. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to use Microsoft Teams. First off, let me show you how to download Microsoft Teams. Open Google Chrome and then go to portal.office.com and then log in to your Microsoft account. From App Launcher, open Microsoft Teams. Click three dots next to your profile and choose the Download app. And once the download is done, run the installer. Your Microsoft Teams will be installed to your desktop automatically. Now you have Teams installed in your computer. Let's find out more Teams feature in the next video.